do not want to do any upgrades to prepare your home for sale, then pricing has to do all the heavy lifting. If you overprice, your home will sit in the market, the listing goes stale, and you will be forced to drop the price. Our job is together to come with the strategies to get as many people into your home. More visitors mean more opportunities, more offers, and more money for you. And without that traffic, no deal is going to happen. We need the traffic to the house, and we do that by value pricing. This is the step that saves your sale. And here's another thing. Let me go one step further. If you need to do some of these minimum items, deep cleaning, carpet cleaning, basic prep, and you don't have the cash, don't worry about it. We will cover it for you. I will bring my crew in to do all of that. That will be our gift to you as part of helping you get the home ready for sale. We will front the cost for the basic prep and cleaning, and you don't have to pay us back. If you need help with pricing, if you want me to walk your home and tell you exactly what we have to do, if you want me to help you determine what the value of your home is, then you can connect with me. The link to connect with me is in the description below down here. Or you can just call me.